What's the meaning of bank? Bonk. Bonk.
Bonk. Bonk. Bonk is a slang term that can have various meanings depending on the context. Typically, it refers to hitting someone or something with a blunt object such as a stick or a hammer, often in a playful or teasing manner. It can also mean to have sex casually or without commitment. In sports, bonking refers to the state of extreme exhaustion or depletion of energy reserves experienced by athletes during intense physical activities such as running or cycling. Regardless of the context, the result of bonking is usually some form of physical impact or depletion of energy.